How to quickly delete the eSIM on your iPhone? Let's go. You'll start by tapping on Settings. On this page, now tap on the Cellular option. You'll come to this page. On this page, choose the eSIM you want to delete. In this case, I want to delete this number here, okay? So tap on the number you want to remove from the eSIM. By tapping, you'll see the specific details of the number and the plan. Scroll down and at the very bottom, you'll find the option to delete the eSIM. Remember that when you delete it, you'll lose the entire plan associated with that eSIM, okay? So basically, I'm going to tap here on the delete option. It's really simple. They'll just confirm here if you really want to delete this number. If you really want to delete it, note that it will no longer be associated with your iPhone. So if you want to delete it, just tap here. They'll ask again if you're sure. I do. So I'm going to tap here on delete. Wait a moment. And as you can see, this message will pop up showing that I just deleted it. The line is no longer available. I'm going to tap here on cancel. It will go back to the page. If you look, the number will still be here. I can tap on it. They'll give you the option to update the contacts that were using the data from this eSIM. I'm going to tap to update, and as you can see, you'll go back to the home page, okay? And the eSIM number won't be there anymore because you just deleted it.